I just wanna say I'm proud of me. I came a long way, finally found my feet. It's been a crazy journey, but I'm
Okay, so we're going to be refilling any Epson printer. It doesn't matter what ink you're using. I'm using Sublimation. So what you're going to do is raise your printer up. This is a Epson 1500. And once you raise it up, it's going to be another little part that you can raise up where you're able to get to the actual ink. And this is what it should look like. That's a little blue latch that you latch it on. You see that little black button? That's what you push to get it to raise up. You can't get it to raise up. So once you finally got it raised up, you're going to grab your ink. You're going to start out with your black. Just make sure you raise the panel up. And on the label, you will see black, and just push the little blue. Push the little blue thing up. So grab your ink, go ahead and twist the top off of it, and you should see where you should insert the ink. And all you have to do is just set it in there, and it'll just come out. You don't have to squeeze the bottle. Please do not squeeze the bottle. It's filling up. So pretty much it's just going to sit there, and it's going to fill up your black color. Just give it a little time. It really doesn't take long to fill it up. So now that our black is done, you just take it out and it's done. I can throw that in the trash. So now you just let it down, and the next color, we'll go to the next color. And how you know which color is what, it has a C. See how it has a C? Cayenne. And then like for the yellow, it has a Y. Yeah, so you just follow the colors, okay? So we're going to do this for all of them, the same process. And down here you should see it filling up. You see how you don't have to squeeze the bottle, just put it in there and it'll start coming out. See how it's going up? It's going up. Now we're just going to repeat this for the next colors. Okay, so now we have all of our things filled up. So now you just close it down. Make sure everything's closed. You're just going to push it down. And then you come to your screen. And it should have this up here. And you just check what colors you filled up to let your machine keep up with your ink levels. So your ink level has been set. You're all good to go. So basically you just close it down. You basically just take it and close it down. Same way we brought it up. You're just going to push that little blue lever back and just close it down. You're ready to start printing again.
take me